Hello everyone, welcome to mathematics tutorial. So today we will discuss about inverse functions. So given any function f, the inverse of the function, okay, ito yung symbol ng inverse function, f inverse. Symbol for inverse function is f raised to 1, or that is f inverse, is a relation that is formed by interchanging its xy of f to y and x, the coordinate of y and x of the inverse or f inverse. So example, number 1, find the inverse of the function described by the set of ordered pairs. So itong ordered pairs natin, so ang original ordered pairs natin is, that is 0 and negative 2, positive 1 and 0, 2 and 2, 3 and 4, and 4 and 6. That is the original function. So we will find the inverse of that given function. So ang inverse, when we from the word itself, inverse, so kabaliktaran. So ang inverse ng given function natin is, that is, so si ito, yung y mauna na. So that is negative 2 and 0. This one, mauna na yung 0 and 1. Next, ito, same lang sila. So 2, 2. Next, ito, mauna yung 4 and 3. Next, mauna yung 6, then 4. So the inverse of the given function is, ito na yung result natin. Kabaliktaran lang ng coordinate of x and y. So this one, 0, negative 2. So ang inverse niyan is negative 2 and 0. This one, 1 and 0. So this one, 0 and 1. Okay? So and so forth. Baliktarin lang yung value ng x and y to y x. Okay? Next, for a function to have an inverse that is function, then original function must be one-on-one function. So a one-on-one function is defined as the function in which its x paired with exactly 1 y. Tandaan, with exactly 1 y. Tandaan ito ha. You need to remember this one. Exactly, ito, 1 y, and y is paired with exactly 1 x. Tandaan, to be a function, we can't have no domain value pairs with two range values. For example, in this given, find the inverse of the given function. So ang inverse niyan is, so f raised to 1 x equals, so ang inverse niyan is 3, 2, and negative 3, ay, negative, baliktad, kinopya ko muna yung original. So inverse na tayo para mas madali. So original function, erase. Bakit lag yung laptop ko? Ay, bakit erase? Okay, so the inverse of this given function is 2 and 3. Next, negative 1 and negative 3. Next, we have, ano, that is 3 and negative 6, and negative 1 and positive 6. So notice that the inverse is not a function because Since the first element, ano yung mga first element natin? Negative 1 and this one, negative 1, match with two elements. Tingnan natin, match with two elements. That is negative 3 and positive 6. So this is not a function. Tindaan na natin, exactly 1y and 1x. So dito, dalawa yung value ng x natin sa inverse. Negative 1, negative 1. Di same sila. So dapat isa lang yan. For example, magiging 4 ito. So that is a function. Okay, next. We have finding the inverse of the given function. Dito na tayo. So to find the inverse of a function, first we need to replace f of x with y. Tandaan, replace f of x with y. Number 2, we need to interchange x and y. So si x magiging y and si y magiging x. Okay. Then solve for y or solve for the new y. Then replace y with the inverse of the given function, or f raised to 1 times x, or f inverse of x. So for example, we have find the inverse of the given function f of x. F of x equals 3x plus 6. So first, we need to, kopyahin muna natin yung given. F of x equals 3x plus 6. First, we need to replace f of x with y. So say f of x magiging y equals 3x plus 6. Then we need to interchange x and y. So si y magiging x equals 3, si x magiging y plus 6. Then step number 3, you need to solve for new y or y. So x, i-transpose natin yung positive 6 sa kabila, magiging negative 6 equals 3y. Then to find the value of y, divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3. So ito magiging eliminate. So remaining value, so unahin natin yung y equals, so this one pwede pa ma-simplify. So that is 1 over 3x, ito negative 6 divided by 3, so that is negative 2. Then replace y with f raised to 1 times x, so that is inverse of the given function is 1/3 x minus 2. So ito na yung inverse of the given function, 3x plus 6. Okay, next, another example. So example number 4, given f of x equals 2x plus 3. So find the inverse of this given function. So formula, we have f of x, kopyahin muna natin yung given, 2x plus 3. Then change f of x to y. So y equals 2x plus 3. Then interchange. So si y magiging x, then si x magiging y. Then solve for the new y. Ito, transpose natin sa kabila. So x positive magiging negative 3 equals 2y. Then divide both sides by 2. Then 2, eliminate. So y equals x minus 3 over 2. So our final answer is the inverse of the given function is equals x minus 3 over 2. So ito na yung final answer natin. Next, so the two function f and the two function f and g are inverse of each other if, tingnan natin, f times the quantity of g of x equals x, so that is the given value or the given function, and g of x, g times f of x equals x, so that is the result of the, or that is the inverse. For example, tingnan natin. So una, that is f times g times x equals, okay, so what is the value of f of x? Ito yung given natin, given function, that is 2x plus 3. So that is the given function. Then we need to, okay, ito yung composition natin last time. We need to replace the value of x by the result of the inverse or the given function. So ito na yung g of x, ito yung f of x. So 2, ang x magiging value ng g of x, that is x minus 3 over 2, so that is the value of x, plus 3 equals, simplify, ito pwede ma-eliminate, so remaining value is x minus 3 plus 3. Then eliminate, so remaining value is x. So tingnan natin, if the two functions f and g are inverse of each other, if ito magiging equals to x, how about this one, magiging x ba? So tingnan natin. So we have g times f of x equals, so ang value ng g of x, that is the inverse of the given function, so that is x minus 3 over 2, then equals, then ang value ng x dito, okay, so that is value ng f of x. So si x magiging 2x plus 3 minus 3 over 2. Then simplify, so we have 2x plus 3 minus 3 over 2 equals, so 2x, ito ma-eliminate, over 2. So what is your answer? 2x divided by 2, so that is x. So the two functions are inverse since f times g of x equals x and g times f of x equals x. Okay, so this one, so 2x plus 3 and x minus 3 over 2 are inverse because the result of its composite function is x, ito x, and this one x. Okay, next, another example. Okay, show that the following functions are inverse of each other. So we will find if these two functions are inverse. So tingnan natin. Okay, so we have f times g of x equals, so ang value ng f of x natin is 2x plus 5. Then replace x with the value of g of x. Ito yung composition of function natin. Times, ang value ng x is ito, 1/2 times x minus 5 plus 5. So that is, then simplify. So ito ma-eliminate na ito. Ma-eliminate. So remaining value is x minus 5 plus 5. Then equals x minus 5 plus 5. So the result is x. Ito ma-eliminate ito or 0. How about g times f of x equals, so ang value ng g of x is 1/2 times x minus 5 equals 1/2 times, value ng x is, replace x with the value of f of x. So ang x dito magiging 2x plus 5 minus 5. Then simplify. 1/2 times, okay, 2x plus 5 minus 5, ito ma-eliminate, so remaining is 2x. Then 1 times 2x, that is 2x over 2. So 2x divided by 2, so that is x. So since f times g of x equals g times f of x is equals to x, then f and g are inverse of each other, since the result is x. Okay, that's all for today.